Today I'll be teaching you how to tie an atom. Let's start off with the why. Someone might want to learn this just because it's a fun hobby to pick up when you get older. A dry fly, meaning a lure that sits on top of the water, is meant to resemble a bug of some sort. Let's start off with the materials we'll be using today. First off, gray wool, followed by brown saddle haggle, then followed by elk fur, and then gray thread. And last but certainly not least, the lure we'll be using, size 10 fly rod lure. The tools that I will be using today are small scissors, then wire spool, and to hold the fly together while I work on it is the clamp. Step 1. Set the fly in the clamp firmly. Step 2. Set up a good base with the thread. Personally, I like to follow the lure and then start wrapping it all the way through. And as I'm going, I like to work my way down right where it creeps, right next to the arch. Then I work my way back. Watch out for the barb because you can get your thread caught on it. Next step, grab your elk fur. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a small piece, pull it up, take the scissors, and snip it just a little bit. I grabbed too much there, but I can make more later. What we're going to do, you take it just like this, just kind of spool it around in your fingers a little bit, get rid of the excess pieces, and that should be enough right there for what I want to do with it. And then you place it on your fly, and you start spooling your thread around it again. All these excess pieces that are hanging off, I can cut off later. Or it's easy to just pull it back and add it to the lure. Just like that. Next step, you take the wool and you grab a pinch. Just like that. This is too much wool. This tuft right here should be about enough. You just roll it in your fingers until you kind of get a coarse vein of it. What you do, you put it back on your lure. Same thing with the elk hair. Same thing as the elk hair. Wrap it and then slowly just wrap it through. Then you can pull it back if need be. Next step, you take your haggle and you cut it. Just like so. And with this, you take it, I'll cut just a little bit more. I'm going to start the wrapping process again. Start loosely when you start wrapping these so that it doesn't want to twist with you. And this loose end right here, cut it off. Then, as you're going, you just wrap it as seen. Then, slowly wrap it around. Wrap your thread back through. pull this back and do a couple more wraps. At the end, you take a half hitch knot around the lure, like so. I personally do 3 of these, and 3 holds it where I don't have to do any more, and where it doesn't fall apart while I'm fishing. And that is how you tie an atom. Then, with the remainder, if you don't like it the way it looks, you just trim it.